Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. The legal battle between human rights lawyer and activist Dele Farotimi and Babalola, senior advocate of Nigeria, has entered a new dimension. This is because Babalola, senior advocate of Nigeria, who was alleging criminal defamation against Dele Farotimi, has gone after the royalties that Dele Farotimi has made from the sales of the book, and to stop the further selling of the book in all the platforms around the world. That is what we're going to talk about right away. Thank you and welcome. Now, when Dele Farotimi's book, Nigeria and its criminal justice system, came on board to public consciousness because of the issues surrounding his arrest and detention in Ekiti State, the book skyrocketed to #1 in Amazon and became one of the most sought after books in its genre around the world. And it is believed that Dele Farotimi had made a lot of money from that book, both from online sales and from the physical sales. That is going to be halted now if Babalola's suit to stop the royalty and to seize the royalty is successful. And I can tell you for free how this will impact Dele Farotimi's book. It is also interesting to note at the outset that Dele Farotimi, I understand, was ready to even use the royalties from the book for charity purpose. So he sees the book as beyond himself. He wants to use it for public good, the royalty from it, but that may no longer materialize. By what Babalola wants to do right now, he wants to seize the royalties and to stop further distribution of the book. How is he going to do it? Well, the Federal High Court in Abuja has ordered publishers to stop production and distribution of the book titled Nigeria and its Criminal Justice System, authored by the embattled lawyer Dele Farotimi. The order sought by Babalola also demanded the seizure of the royalties and the blockage of Amazon and other online platforms from distributing the book. The order, which was filed by the head of Babalola Chambers, Kayinde Ogunwuniju, Kayinde Ogunwuniju, was dated December 6, 2024. The order stated as follows, and I quote, "An order of interlocutory injunction restraining the defendant, respondent, whether acting by himself, his staff, employees, servants, privies, representatives, agents, publishers, distributors, sellers, republishers, resellers, or any other person howsoever described, including Amazon Online, Bookstore, Roving Heights Bookstore, Booksellers Bookstore, Jazz Hole Lagos Bookstore, Glenson Bookshop, Quintessence Lagos Bookstore, and Pataba Books Limited from further publishing, selling, circulating, advertising, or distributing the physical slash the hard slash digital slash soft copies of the book authored by the defendant slash respondent titled Nigeria and its Criminal Justice System Online, an order of interlocutory injunction directing the seizure of all physical copies of the book authored by the defendant slash respondent titled Nigeria and its Criminal Justice System, wherever they may be. End of quote. Now, this is Babalola going to hitting Dele Farotimi where it will hurt most, because there are people who are buying these books as a show of solidarity to Dele Farotimi, as a way to even contribute to his legal woes, because he will need a lot of money if this matter is pursued and is not resolved out of court. So a lot of people are buying it out of solidarity in support of him. Now that financial lifeline has been threatened, and is going to be very, very impactful. Although, as I said initially, there were indications that Dele Farotimi has said that the royalty from the book is going to be used for charity purpose. Okay. In other words, he don't believe on it to be a financial lifeline for his legal woes. But what I'm saying is that I can tell you for free, Amazon is very strict about anything that has to do with legal. I can tell you for free that once Amazon received this legal notice from the Babalola, even before it is filed, even in this preliminary stage, even before the judge will rule over it now, Amazon, if he gets this legal notice, is going to shut down, take down Dele Farotimi's book. I can tell you that for free. It's a platform that I operate on. You can see more of my top-selling books here. The Igbo Phenomenon, Secrets of Enduring Weight of a People. So I understand how that platform operates. Once Amazon gets this legal notice, they are not going to wait for the end of the matter before taking it down. Once they get the legal notice, they will take it down. They are not going to think twice about it. It will not take them seconds. And they're going to take it down. And Amazon is the world's #1 book distribution company in the world, whether digital, physical, or otherwise. They are #1. So that's going to hurt Dele Farotimi. And not only Amazon, every other book selling organization that are of the size of Amazon, they are always very sensitive to legal notices. So that's going to hurt. And of course, even the physical, because what Babalola had done, he identified certain bookshops in Lagos. Perhaps they got information that those were the bookshops that the book was being sold in a massive way. So they listed them, and other international bookstores, they listed them. And I can tell you for free, once these people got the legal notice, they're not going to say that they stand in solidarity with Dele Farotimi and allow the book to stay. No, they're going to take it off the shelf. And the digital distribution platforms, they're going to act so fast that you'll be shocked. So I think Babalola has really gone to the level where it's going to hurt Dele Farotimi financially, because the book itself, even though Dele Farotimi said that the book, he wrote this book for the records as a legacy, that what is written in why he wrote it, he says so that the content would outlive himself and Babalola. Okay, so that's interesting and also important. But Babalola really has gone after the book where it mattered most by filing a suit, not only to seize the royalties, but also to ensure that the books are no longer further distributed or published by anyone. That is really interesting. And it all goes to show you the level that Babalola had taken whatever was contained in the book that get him so upset. He is not ready to let go, whatever anybody will talk about. However, the saving grace of Dele Farotimi is that he himself is doubling down. He said that he has evidence. It therefore means that those who support free speech, those who support that the public need to know what is happening behind the scene in our judiciary, they are all solidly hoping that that evidence will be enough to convince the court to set him free, to know that he didn't intend anything bad against Babalola. He did it in national interest. He did it in the interest of the judicial system. He did it in the interest of all of us. We can only wish him well, but one feels sad for him because his book has gotten to the level many authors prayed they could get without controversy. But controversy also helps books to sell. Unfortunately, Babalola is not letting go. He wants to seize the royalties and he wants to stop the distribution of the book. And going by the way the book had been selling, you can bet that it's not a small amount of money that Dele Farotimi will be losing if Babalola succeed in seizing the royalty. I don't know how he's going to do it, but he has already filed his case in the court. Like I said, Amazon is a platform I operate on too. Amazon does not joke with legal notices. Once there's a legal notice on a book, Amazon takes that book down, no matter how best-selling that book was or how important the book could be to anyone. Amazon will take it off. You can only bring it back after there's a counter legal notice. But that will take a lot of time because Amazon is very sensitive about legal notices and stuff like that, including the issue of copyright. But basically, legal notices, they don't joke with legal notices and copyright issues. I don't know what to think about Babalola going for the royalties of Dele Farotimi's book, Nigeria and its criminal justice system. Whatever is your position on this, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it hard and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.